In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very bright and beautiful clay necklace using air dry clay, and this is really pretty and sophisticated. Hi, I'm Shabari from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. So let's begin with the tutorial. For this project, we will use fevicryl molded air dry clay and mix the components together to form a white colored dough. We will cut out two pieces of cardboard in this shape. This is an abstract type of Ganesha pendant. So we will take the dough and spread it on top of the surface of the cardboard in this manner with our fingers. We will spread the clay all over the cardboard, and these are ready. Now we will smoothen the surface as well as the edges of the clay with the help of little bit of water in the fingertip in this manner. In this way, the surface will become smoothened and the edges will become straight. So both the pieces are now ready. We will now stick this Ganesha face on top of the other cardboard piece with the help of fevicryl. We will allow it to dry out completely. Now we will make two holes on the top portion with the help of any pointed object. We will decorate the surface of Ganesha. Just make thin wires with the help of the clay in this manner and stick it over the face of Ganesha. Make a coil out of the clay wire and stick it in this manner. We will decorate it further in this manner, and now we will be making clay beads. Make the hole in the bead using any pointed object. I am using a hair pin for this purpose. You can use safety pin or any clay tool. So the clay beads are ready. We will allow our clay work to dry out completely for 3 to 4 hours until it hardens, and then we will cover up the surface with gesso white. Now after the gesso has dried up, we will start painting on our work. I kept my art very bright and colorful. However, you can add colors based on your choice and taste. We will soon complete the paint, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. Our is nearly completed, and we will allow our work to dry out completely after this, and then we will add a layer of wood shine wood gloss on top of our painting for the glossy effect and also for color protection. All the clay pieces are now ready. We will now attach a string for tying it around our neck. So pass the string through the holes that we made at the top portion of the necklace, and we will pass the beads that we made through the string in this manner. If you want to see the video on how to make the string by crochet technique, then comment in the comment section. So finally, our beautiful, colorful and classy necklace is ready. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. So please subscribe to my channel if you like this.